Issues after Apache Airflow migration from 1.9.0 to 1.10.1. I just upgraded my Airflow install from 1.9.0 to 1.10.1. I use Docker to install and run Airflow. So I just updated my Docker file with these lines. Nslugify uses text unid code yes. Run pip install Apache Airflow crypto, Celery, Postgres, Hive, JDBC == 1.10.1. And then run docker build, then docker compose with the new image. So far, so good. In the airflow.cfg, I add the line reback = true. Because I want to create users with specific roles, and allow them to access only their DAGs. The Docker containers are running without errors. An error happens when I click on a DAG name in the UI, or when I try to launch a DAG. Thanks for any help.
Try Airflow upgraded. This will create missing columns in your tab. For folks facing the same issue while upgrading to Airflow, =2.0.0 try Airflow DB upgrade.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.